Pasay, Pasay, Pasay. Abi ko ng Pasay, dito rin Gateway.
Hindi ka nasigaw.
Hindi.
Ay.
So, ayan. I'm just making this video for myself. Kasi, tada! I don't know if you can read it because naka-flip siya. Pero ayun. So, this 3-page paper, hindi siya kalulado. Ayan, 3-page paper contains so far all of my ideas for the parallels and beyond. And wow, nagulat ako sa sarili ko kahapon kasi sobrang layo niya sa original na idea ko. Sobrang layo niya sa akin. Hindi sobra, parang may hint talaga ng mga ideas ko at first. Pero parang naging complete na siya. And for context, yung To Parallels and Beyond na story ko, it's unang naisip ko siya, it's more like romance, ganyan. Tapos, ngayon, oh my gosh, it's science fiction. I mean, ano siya, yung sa unang idea ko talaga, it's science fiction by nature. May halos ano siya sci-fi and some adventure and ganyan, pero not so much. So, nagulat talaga ako kahapon kasi we decided to rewrite the thing on paper. Yan, tingnan ko kung ano yung, kasi meron kong isang idea ko. Yun, which is like, baguhin yung character lang, which is yung MC. From, ang dami niyang dami pinagdanan. It's, naging Trixie, tapos naging Naya Lynn. Trixie yan, Louise, yung Naya Lynn, Faith, tapos ngayon, it's Shannon Faith. I wanna keep the Faith as second name, so I'm gonna stick to the Shannon. Tapos yun lang, binago ko lang siya kasi I just thought na dapat yung kanyang college course will make sense kung bakit siya magpapatarolin, hindi yung mga ganun ba. Like, for their thesis, ganyan. And, ayun, tapos simulan. Ginawa ko lang siya talaga from that idea, specific idea, tapos which all of the other thoughts, the other details came through after I wrote everything. Like, nagkaroon ng mga changes, nagkaroon ng bagong pagpasok, ng mga bagong character, and then may mga villain, oh my gosh. And I'm just gonna make this video for myself kasi right now I'm feeling not a little but a lot. I'm feeling super nervous about writing this kasi parang sobrang out of my league siya. Parang out of my skill set. This kind of girl, hindi mo malalaman kung out of skill set mo kung hindi mo talaga try na isulat. And I've finished something before, pero it's not my best work, and I don't want this to just be my best work. I just want this. I want to finish this to satisfy myself kasi yung unang idea is very centered about men. Pero ngayon, oh my gosh, I love the arc. So yan, ang gagawin ko na ngayon is titingnan ko na kung ano yung connection ng characters, nung mga characters sa story or sa plot na nagawa ko ngayon. And ayan, I'm gonna do that. And not just hopefully, but you know, talagang tatapusin ko to no matter what. Okay, I'm gonna finish this. Yun lang. Bye!
Sabi kasi ni Bella, parang so good for her. Kasi nga gago si Bella. Runaway child, black sheep, di nag-aaral.